Hi everybody, welcome back. This week we looked at something that you wake up to every day, or many of you wake up to every day, that will add color to your life, and which I needed a lot of help to talk about. Makeup organizers. Our entry today is this glass and metal organizer from Target. It's a Threshold brand, $18.99.
So my sister works in cosmetology, and we live together, so we have a lot of makeup. We went through a whole ordeal to try to find the best makeup organizer, and this is it, because of the transparency and the well-sized compartments.
Number 2, our top pick this year, the Hinged Vanity Organizer from Target, $24.99.
So what I like about this guy is that it's hinged, as its name implies, which means I have a whole cubby down here that I can use to hide my husband's ugly boy stuff, and no one has to know it's there.
And number 3 on the high end, the Faceted Vanity Organizer from Anthropologie at $48.
I love this one, Maxwell, because it has plenty of storage in the front for lipsticks, which is kind of my thing, and also storage for taller things in the back like brushes and makeup pencils.
That's it for this week. Check out their favorite organizers, plus more on the site below, and I'll see you next week.